Hello, today we're going to be video recording Max opening an KFRC 60, I think is it 606? What drone is it's not a drone, here it is.
It's a
606
plane.
Air 606 mini glider.
Yeah, how do you open this?
From KFRC.
Yeah, but I have a question.
How do you open it?
You open it from here.
So it's a gyroscopic stabled flying plane with dual rotors.
Yeah, dual motors.
Dual rotors.
Yeah, look.
But
it has these
I don't know, that's
propellers.
about 12-inch wingspan by the looks of it.
Yeah,
Go
look,
on.
it has little tiny propellers. Okay, I cannot get this out of myself. This is...
Hold on, I'll undo the other side and then I'll push it out.
Oh, thank you. That's
Right?
teamwork.
Okay, let's have a look at the manual first. Oh, okay, we're opening it. Oh,
It's just made out of fabric?
no, it's made out of polystyrene that's flexible, see?
Aww.
It's not made out of fabric. It's a little smaller than I thought.
Daddy!
It's
look,
about
it
one
is
hand
like
width.
my drone. Look,
Mhm.
controller. Look,
Oh,
guys.
hold on, there's a little on
This is
switch.
drone one.
It is the same controller as your drone almost.
Don't push
Okay,
it
we
on.
turned it on.
And is it gonna fly? That's the question.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh. Oh, hold on.
Like you said, we have to.
get the drone controller.
What?
Turn the drone controller on and push the up and down. Push it up and down. No, it didn't bind. Sometimes you get lucky and you can use different controllers. Okay.
How do we use this thing?
No, we got to put the batteries in it.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay, we need 3 AAAs. Where are the AAA batteries? There's a cardboard box of them, isn't there?
Okay. Can I pick up?
No, don't get a camera. Just go get the AAA batteries.
Hey guys, I actually have been paid.
Max is going to get the AAA batteries. I'm going to look at the manual while he's up there. Well, let's take a closer look at the line wing. It's quite squishy polystyrene. It's not like the same polystyrene as the box here. You see, it doesn't make a noise when you touch it, and it's really squishy and sort of goes back to shape. So it's elastic. Did you get them?
I cannot find them.
The 3 AAAs, they're there.
Okay.
And so look, the motors are just taped on the bottom. Engine, battery goes in the front there.
I just found some fake fangs.
Yeah, they're mine. Put them back in there.
Stapler.
No, it's a box, cardboard box. Do you remember?
Yeah, it's not upstairs.
It is. Go and ask Mummy where it
I
is.
looked.
Alright, I'm going to pause the video a sec. So here we are. We got the controller working. So
Yep.
turn the plane on again. There's a little switch on the bottom.
So,
Hold on. Oh, so when I push this, that works.
yeah.
Max, not in here because it might go in the fish tank.
Yeah, let's go upstairs.
Well, you think you'll be able to fly it upstairs?
In the garden.
No, we'll just fly it across the room. Check it works, okay?
Okay.
So just hold on to it and then give it a quick launch, okay? Are you good?
Yeah, good.
That works.
That means we tested it.
We did.
Test it again.
Okay, test it again. Well, that just fell down that time.
Wait, I just landed.
Well, why don't you launch it from above your head instead of throwing it down towards the floor?
Launch it like this.
No, don't touch it near your hair. It might tangle in your hair. Launch it above your head like that. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Whoop, there's where it ended up.
Told you it will not
See,
work.
it's basically, it says indoor, but it can't even make it across a room before it starts to get an aerofoil going. So it's not going to work inside. So we're going to have to take this outside. Let's go. Go on then. Oh. You got to turn it fast. You got to put it a bit higher. You got to make it at least halfway.
Okay.
All right. I'll do it.
Okay. That was amazing. That was excellent. recording number 4. Whoa! See that tiny plane?
Just saying, it's still in the wind.
Whoa! Whoa! It's over there! Up there! There! It's going indefinite! It's going definite! It gets... Look at that! It's a lovely plane.